This is Village Auto's 2008 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE Crew Cab with a Z71 4-wheel drive off-road package. Shortbox, very clean, well-maintained two-owner truck. Accident-free, verified throughout a check. The rear park assist, tow package, 20-inch alloy wheels, tonneau cover, bed liner, chrome step bars. Very sharp, well-maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $16,470. Let's get inside here for you. This one is a full leather interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. Of course, full power options, driver's side power seat with memory, heated front leather seats, power passenger seat, AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input, dual automatic climate control, adjustable foot pedals, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. You also have a tow haul mode, OnStar, electronic 4-wheel drive switch with auto feature. Altogether very clean, very well maintained truck that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2008 GMC Sierra home with you today.